Hello, this is David from MarineMax in Lake Getaways. Behind me is a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. We have horizon color that goes through the whole hull, side and bottom. White water sports tower up above my head. So I come around the back. This is a brand new design for 2024. This is a 25 model. We have a Bravo 3 with a 300 horsepower, submersible swim platform. We're going to talk about a couple more things up on deck. Okay, we've moved up on the bow of this beautiful dune interior Sea Ray, classic gray outside, dune interior inside. As I get on this boat, I do a lot of videos, and I just said to my film coordinator here, there's a lot to go over on this boat. So let's start on the bow. There's a very deep storage locker underneath my feet. Of course, we have glue down SeaDek throughout the whole boat. Up here in the very front is an anchor locker that opens up with a tie off. There's a cooler right here that drains down in the bilge. Of course, that latches right in. There's storage underneath every seat, very deep. There's grab handles, there's charge ports. The center is offset just a little bit. This boat comes with the essential package, which gives you tieless fenders. Along the outside of the boat, there's little holes where this will clip right in. So you, at ease, can ask somebody, hey, can you hang that fender? It's very simple for them, just hang the fender and take it off when you need to. Nobody needs to know how to tie a rope or a cleat, so when you're entertaining guests, it's not an issue. So we pass through the walkthrough here. We have storage underneath, ample storage. Glove box up here. Of course, your passenger has control of the stereo with a speaker right in front of them. Over here on the starboard side, we have a large head compartment. This unlatches. We pull a little pin here. The roof slides back. There's lots of storage in there with a pump out head. You can optional get cushions in there. This boat doesn't have it, but you'll see a sink, more SeaDek, very well thought out, very large storage compartment. Of course, it latches from the inside and the out. So come over here to the helm. We have another glove box right here for your cell phones, wallets, keys. Of course, the SIMRAD screen, all of our switches, our DTS, digital throttle and shift, tilt steering wheel, flip up seats. Our backrest will slide forward. So when we do get to that sandbar, we can entertain. Of course, there's a button here that I'm missing. There's charge ports along the inside, lots more storage. Large bimini above my head, water sports tower, large sun pad on the back. There's even more that I left out. So come on down to MarineMax in Lake Getaways. Let's get on the boat, go through it, and talk about all the great features. Thank you.